So, let's talk. I know you're probably scrolling through videos right now, but give me 3 minutes and I'll help you feel more calm and shift your energy. So, let's start by getting in a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. You can do this at home, in the office, or even in a car, as long as you're not driving. Now, go ahead and close your eyes. And allow the edges of your eyes just to soften, along with all the tension in your face. And take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and let everything go. And just allow your breath to get to its nice, natural pace. And allow your jaw to relax, slightly open. And drop your shoulders and even let them roll back. Let's move down to your ribs. And feel your ribs expand as you breathe in, and gently contract as you breathe out. Now, bring your focus to the area of your heart and slow your breathing down even more. And on your next breath, breathe in the word right through the back of your heart. Hold it for a moment, and then breathe out the word here through the front of your heart. And repeat this silently to yourself. Breathe in the word right. Breathe out the word here. So now, come back to your body. Maybe even wiggle your fingers and toes. Let your attention rest right behind your eyelids, still closed. With your next exhalation, gently open your eyes. A smile washes over your face, sending the message of peace and gratitude for this moment we've shared. And if you've enjoyed this, check the link in the description to see where I'm delivering my next live meditation. See you soon.